In the vast digital ocean of the cloud, where businesses store their most critical data and applications, security measures like allow lists, also known as white lists, are specifically designed to serve as strong barriers, keeping your sensitive information safe from unauthorized intruders and potential threats. But what happens when cunning attackers master the art of disguise, forging their identity to impersonate trusted sources and slipping undetected past your defenses, exploiting the very trust relationships that networks rely upon? IP spoofing is a deceptive technique where attackers forge the source IP address in the header of data packets, altering this critical routing information to make malicious traffic appear as if it originates from a legitimate sender, exploiting how data travels across the internet's infrastructure. Imagine mailing a letter with a completely fake return address on the envelope. The recipient opens and acts on it without suspicion, unable to trace it back to you, the real sender. And that untraceable anonymity is precisely the dangerous power that IP spoofing grants to attackers in cyberspace. Allow lists, or white lists, function like exclusive VIP access passes to a secure network, explicitly specifying only those trusted IP addresses permitted to connect and interact with cloud resources, forming a foundational layer of access control. Only data packets from IP addresses explicitly listed on the whitelist are allowed to pass through the security checkpoints, theoretically blocking all unauthorized traffic and keeping malicious actors, like those launching spoofed attacks, firmly excluded from the system. Now, picture a shadowy attacker using packet sniffers or ARP scans to map the network, then meticulously crafting a malicious packet with a forged source IP address that exactly matches one on the trusted allow list, ready to deceive the defenses. The security system checks the packet header, recognizes the seemingly familiar trusted IP address, and without a second thought opens the gate wide, granting the disguised attacker full unauthorized access deep into the network. The consequences of successful cloud IP spoofing attacks can be utterly severe and wide-ranging. Massive data breaches exposing confidential information, complete system compromises handing control to attackers, and denial of service disruptions that overwhelm and cripple operations for hours or days. But there are effective countermeasures to fight back. Ingress filtering examines incoming packets for source validity. Egress filtering checks outbound ones. Strong multi-factor authentication verifies users beyond IP. And vigilant network monitoring spots anomalous behavior to detect and prevent these attacks early. By implementing robust security measures such as packet filtering against ACL inconsistencies, reverse path forwarding to validate routes, encryption to obscure traffic, and network access controls, organizations can identify spoof packets, block malicious traffic decisively, and safeguard their cloud environments from these silent threats. In the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity, staying vigilant means adopting layered defenses against IP spoofing. Remain proactive, informed, and protected to secure your cloud infrastructure effectively.